Hello children, in last video we discussed about energy flow in living things. Our next topic is balance in nature. Children, what you are observing here? A common balance. Is it stable? Yes. One side animals are there, another side trees are there. Now, is it in stable condition? When we will say balance in nature? If the number of trees and they are providing food and oxygen to animals and animals are giving carbon dioxide to plants. Imagine if there is no balance in nature, what will happen? First condition. Children, what you are observing here? In this condition, more number of animals are there, less number of trees and plants are there. Then what will happen? Now we are going to discuss. If more number of animals are there, then they will release more amount of carbon dioxide and for them they need more amount of oxygen. But here less number of trees and plants are there. Is it sufficient, children? Oxygen. They will release less amount of oxygen. Whatever the oxygen released by these plants and trees, it's not sufficient to these animals. Why? They are more in number, here less in number. That is the reason why whatever the food and oxygen supplied by trees and plants, it's not sufficient to more number of animals. Then we can say imbalance. There is no balance. Next we are going to take second condition. Children, what you are observing? In this condition, one side trees and plants are there, another side animals are there. If you observe this picture, here more number of trees and plants are there, less number of animals are there. Then what will happen? In this condition, if more number of trees and plants are there, they will release more number of oxygen. But they need more amount of carbon dioxide also. Why they need more amount of carbon dioxide? To prepare its food. The process in which plants are preparing food is called photosynthesis with the help of sunlight, air and water. They need more amount of carbon dioxide. Who are giving? We human beings and animals. But here less number of animals are there. Whatever the amount of carbon dioxide released by less number of animals, it's not sufficient. So again we can say imbalance in nature. I mean to say there is no balance in nature. That is the reason why we should maintain balance in our nature. We have bird sanctuaries and wildlife sanctuaries. What is mean by sanctuary? Sanctuary is a place where birds and animals are safe. Children, in the continuation of last topic, that is balance in nature, we should not cut trees and we should plant many trees. We should encourage more saplings. There is a program in our country, India, that is Vana Mahotsava. Vana Mahotsava is a program which encourages more plants and saplings. We are celebrating Vana Mahotsava program in the month of July, that is from 1st July to 7th July. Here we have some pics. You can observe small kids there planting a plant and they are watering to the plant. Yeah. Children, we have some experiments in a textbook 182 page number. Experiment 1. That is, does a green leaf have starch? First experiment. And second experiment is sunlight needed for photosynthesis? And third experiment is chlorophyll needed for photosynthesis? Means, is green leaf and sunlight and chlorophyll important or not? We are going to do experiment. Here I am uploading some links. You can watch these videos under your parents' supervision only. When you will come back to school, we are going to show you all these experiments in our labs. Thank you, children.